Hi there. I'm going to go through installing the Teams app and logging in to get ready for a meeting. I have an Android phone, thus going to the Google Play Store. Sorry, let me look for it. So from the very beginning, right at the top here, I'm going to search for Teams, Microsoft Teams. Click install. It's now installing the app. As soon as it's done, I'll click on open. I am going to sign in. I have several accounts, so I'm going to pick the one that I have a meeting for scheduled tomorrow. If it's my first time, you can read the different shortcuts presented. I hit got it. And if I go down at the bottom to calendar, here's my meeting that is scheduled for tomorrow at 10. So tomorrow at about 9:55, I'll come back to the app and click on join.